Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma tutorials. Last week I posted this question on my Facebook page, but a lot of students, a lot of JAMB UTME candidates, 26 JAMB UTME candidates failed this question. And this question is very simple. It's a very common question in JAMB, and I don't know why people that are preparing to take JAMB in 26 would fail a simple question as this. And let's look at this question and actually know why a lot of them failed it. Okay, now the question says, this question is from 2010 JAMB UTME past questions, and it says, one of the women who dash in the premises dash been ordered to quit. One of the women who dash in the premises dash been ordered to quit. Option A, sells have, B, sell has, C, sell have, and D, sells has. So which one is correct? Okay, so a lot of them actually picked sells have, and which is incorrect. And when they picked sells have was because the sentence starts with one, and when you have a singular subject, you have to have a singular verb as well. So that is the primary rule of Concord, but this question does not require that rule of Concord. Okay, it requires it partly, and also requires another rule of Concord because it has two gaps. All right, now for you to fill the first gap correctly, you have to know about relative pronoun concord. And what is relative pronoun concord? Relative pronoun concord is just all about agreement of a verb and the antecedent, that is the noun that comes before the relative pronoun. Okay, relative pronouns are words like who, that, which, whose. Okay, these are relative pronouns. So when you have a noun, then a relative pronoun before a verb, the verb will have to agree with the noun that is before the relative pronoun. Now let's look at the question. The question says, one of the women who dash in the premises. Okay, now we have women who dash. Now dash here has to agree, whatever word, whatever verb you're going to fill in this gap has to agree with women. All right, now women is plural, so that means the verb that will come after who should also be plural. So we are going to strike off any option that is not plural. So we're going to strike off option A and option D, and we're left with options B and C. All right, now for you to fill the second gap has to agree with the first subject of the sentence. Okay, now the first subject of this sentence is one. Okay, one is singular, so what is going to fill the second gap should also be singular. So we have one of the women who sell in the premises, then the second gap has to be singular because of one. Okay, has been ordered to quit. Okay, so that means option B the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Relative pronoun concord is all about making the verb that comes after a relative pronoun agree with the noun that is before the relative pronoun. Okay, if the noun that is before the relative pronoun is singular, the verb after relative pronoun has to be singular, and vice versa. There are lots of rules of concord, like 24 of them, so you have to really know all of them, know how to use them correctly. Okay, a lot of people say that use of English is difficult in JAMB UTME, but use of English is actually one of the subjects that you can easily pass. The problem is that a lot of students actually go into the exam hall thinking that they know how to speak English, forgetting that we have standard English and we have Nigerian English. So when you go to the exam hall, please leave your Nigerian English mentality at home. If you really want me to guide you to help you ace JAMB UTME use of English, okay, send me a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen, and I have teachers of other subjects: chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, CROS, government, economics. So if you're taking JAMB in 2026, make sure you join our online classes, and the fee is 2,000 per subject per month. Okay, so join us today and ace your exam. We have an online quiz that is coming up on the 31st of January for our students. After the quiz, we are going to have a detailed comprehensive revision of all the 100 questions in each subject of the JAMB mock quiz. So make sure you join our classes. If you really want to prepare well and ace JAMB UTME, join a class that is result oriented, a class that really cares about your grades. If you are really serious about acing JAMB UTME, you want us to help you, ace JAMB UTME in 2026, send me a WhatsApp message now and join us today. Alright, that will be all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I will see you again very soon in another video.